In this assignment, we're going to place our photo from the previous assignment into the magazine cover from our previous assignment, and then we'll update the letters in the design and digitally manipulate the photo that we place in the design to merge well with the letters to create a successful design. In this lesson, we'll import a photo into a Photoshop document and talk about smart objects versus rastered images. From the previous assignment, I showed two different photos. Here's the first one, and here's the second one. I'm going to work with this one because we can see a clear distinction between the background and the body. It will be easier to work with this one to show you the digital manipulation part of this assignment. While this image is fun to look at, it's hard to see a clear distinction between the head and the background, which is going to make it a little bit harder to digitally manipulate for this assignment. So there's multiple ways that you can bring an image into a design. The easiest way is to drag and drop it into the design. When we do this, Camera Raw plugin opens up. We can click OK, and it drops into the design. Another way we could do this is if you already have the photo open in Photoshop, you could do a Command A to select the whole area, Command C to copy, and then come to the design that you want to import the image and do a Command V to paste it in. Both ways are acceptable. Okay, we only need one of the images, so I'm going to delete that one. If when you drag and drop the image into the Photoshop document, you may see a little icon on the bottom right of the thumbnail. That icon tells us that this image is a smart object. And what does that mean to us? This is advanced information if you're an advanced user in Photoshop. And we won't be able to edit this photo, like remove the background of it, easily with the Properties panel unless the image is rasterized and pixel based. So you would right click on the layer and then click on Rasterize Layer. When we click Rasterize Layer, the icon goes away, and in the Properties panel, we now have the Remove Background button. We're going to use that later in this assignment. This lesson will continue in the next video.